How to clear cache in Google Chrome in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Boys Tech. In today's quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to clear your cache in Google Chrome in 2025. If your browser feels slow, pages don't load properly, or websites look broken, clearing your cache is often the easiest fix. Stick around to the end. I'll also share a quick tip on how to keep your browser fast automatically. Let's jump in. What is cache? First, what exactly is the cache? When you visit a website, Chrome saves some files like images and scripts, so next time the page loads faster. But over time, this cache can get outdated or too big, causing glitches or slowing things down. That's why clearing it once in a while is a good idea. Step 1. Open Google Chrome settings. Show cursor moving to 3 dots, click it. Open Chrome and click the 3 dots in the top right corner of your screen. This opens a drop-down menu. Next, click on Settings, usually near the bottom. Step 2. Go to Privacy and Security. In the Settings menu, look at the left sidebar. Find Privacy and Security. Click on that. This section controls your browsing data, site settings, and more. Step 3. Clear browsing data. Show the options. Click Clear Browsing Data. Now, click on Clear Browsing Data. A pop-up will appear. This is where you can choose exactly what you want to remove. You'll see 3 main options: browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. If you want, you can use the keyboard shortcut to get to this option. Pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete button will take you to this option. For today, feel free to clear the other boxes too if you want a full cleanup. Step 4. Choose a time range next. Pick a time range. If you're just fixing a recent issue, you can choose last hour or last 24 hours. But if Chrome has been slow for a while, I recommend selecting all time. This will remove all cached files and give you a fresh start. Step 5. Clear the cache. When you're ready, click the Clear Data button. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a few seconds. Bonus tip: hard refresh. Sometimes you just want to refresh a single page without clearing everything. You can do a hard refresh by pressing Shift plus F5 or Control plus Shift plus R on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac. This reloads the page from scratch, skipping the old cache. And that's it. Now you know how to clear your cache in Google Chrome in 2025. Did this help speed up your browser? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this useful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe Boys Tech YouTube channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.